Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove Facebook from Instagram account. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead over to Account Center. And when you go ahead and tap on your profiles right here, tap on one, you'll be able to delete it from here, all right? As well as when you go ahead over to Connected Experience, you'll be able to see sharing across profiles, but you won't see a delete button. So how do we delete it? So just go ahead and go back again to Account Center, scroll all the way down and find Manage Accounts, tap on it, and then you'll be able to see your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. Say for example, Facebook, tap on Manage, and then just basically tap on Move Out of this Account Center. Tap on it and default basic prompts. All right, tap on Move Account. I'm not going to do it because I want it to be connected. So I'm just going to go ahead and use WhatsApp right here as an example. Tap on Move Out, continue, yes, finish. Wait a bit, and then once that's done, it should be gone. That is how you remove Facebook from Instagram account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.